will be about the Basman Ghana updates so. I was here for a friend, champ my assassin so a share beam. Your man playing another uncle for a yen, a tower, bay, the Benham Kumasi. When I all bar protocol radio stations are hold one. We do PFM and we didn't say because to your one, what I say. Breaking the 8 years, so I'm before many average some breaking the 18. No one in the breaking, also don't be breaking. Is that some set a record? Now, on moment, the FCC pass here or Barbecase in the Nipas in a bank, I'm a pet, and I win a bank campaign to me quack campaign, and I'm a quack casa, the many passmates. It was one year say, Jumano. Name do obey and say, will be Biella party no, a bay no, so no, and a mere flag bearer, and farmer, MPP Amanu Kono 2024 no. Obe campaign e de amani pakro that is saying akopɔ ya adom na say edru wo no oda so wa hoden a wo so de campaigner obe campaign e de amasa ni pakro no na emom so kwakɔ yi nanim de wonye saa wo kye se wo yi wanim ene ya yenya hu se kofi na ekɔ ana se akosi na ekɔ no so ko yi wanim se de kofi na mpa no mpa akosi a e di nchichemu e ba party nim wo we ya wan fan to no wo kye se de nti omani abredendende na 8 years no be so mutwam ne say Tama papa kofo ebedi akunya evie nwotwe na so ye no woko no saa bre no nka MPP fo nya akwanya ebeto papa kofo ene ma papa a wo mo ye ede ma Ghana eso a se bro e sure senka Ghana ye koye nim bebre e che me bi wo no na so san say e she Ghana fo ye bi mutim ese wonya bedi fie nwotwe nko ade ase wo mamu ye so mamu nyi so sifo muti no omo si MPP fo form ekofa NDC amanyoku saa bre wura papa me o sen no ebeto aso no wura mahama ebeto aso ama Ghana bebe papa kofo de ebedru ye no ye sa tete san ekoye chi bebre anu nti won de ohun ni sesenka Ghana fo nyina ye beka ye ho abom ni ato aba e de ama MPP amanyoku obi biara omu beyi no 2024 as flag bearer and as a presidential candidate e de ama amanyoku no se de be yo betimi ato ane ma papa ono na adanko akufo ado oba be ye e de ama Ghana fo na ke betimi aboa ama Ghana akọ animu bebre na ejen
ina ba
woni na ya adwen
you agree more than 200%.
Inti ane say adeshi akunya beto a adeshi nyina prepe bi
okay
na adeshi no so no ye free bi kinsmen omo etu hene esi hene etu hene si hene fo no sometimes it might not necessarily be the president and what do you call it grassroots no and as a party no omo kabia omo tutu aba amane ye no na mom no the ma ebia certain president and our president of the day no because party no nyina waba be leader as a leader so you don't show bias you don't show your friend is saying favorites
okay.
So what I say we na mepe even though say nipa that we cannot do away with it
okay
ye nipa dia your preferred candidate but in some position as a leader of the party no won't ma publicly declare a stance for any of the candidate so what I say you can only do that after say Mako Congress na Mako approve whoever is approved so the partner sa brand any omampani a wo ho no who is the former leader and a leader no odo support na abutro weight behind him or her na ono so atumi akonkode ne eti do papa kan na kan the president kan na na ya adwene pa say ense so show ibi o say sabde amanfo adwene be kwachiri kakra 2007-2008 during campaign at the Nkofobi after some lose MPP lose abandoned to NDC you know there were these speculations and you know blame games and accusations be say omampeni no hosabre no his excellency the former president John Ajikum Kufuor wan shedamwa nana dan Kufuor papa that was the perception that is the rumor that went around at the time you know so what I say eti so no to declare intention say be ahim for class of na mo amsi mi so yi ade say so papa unu say nimfie no nheda nye favorable sa 76 there after 2024 he'll be somewhere 80 thereabout tisabre no luma on to nye so active say yenko ha mi ko gina campaign ni ade he may not be able to do that. You know, say, oh, they are obey. By the grace of God, President Huns are very strong. Look at her very healthy. Yeah, yeah, Bompire say, and twas on Kosusa Hananka. After Christ will free Kunyasono, only Ninkwa and main. Na Onyankopon Shida and Kosongon. So it's all cats was just abon dear. Yeah, when we see do and so ben pepe, Sahuade wa.
Okay. Was it into money I person break 18 Papa ko forward in Kunyaso or Koy, Sabra and Kagana for your MP before Akunya and move breaking 8 Sabra in 2008 one of now. And Kagana equal far than baby a Juno. But Ghana for SRJ opportunity now and if you want them at the command NDC and on Sabetro can near my saber sa. It is 2024 so Mamma MP before breaking 8. No, there's a perception that show Mutrim say what baby 18 they will say we see baby a Ghana yaba and Kayaba be drew, maybe another dear be drew no. To Nanado no, Yabesa Koyichi.
Well, to assess Nasa now kind of dear. And I know several Ghanaians, including even some NDC people, believe say Kufuor did massively well. Ewo na memo breso. So what I say, intina no, and shedanye secret. It's an even if it's a secret, it's an open one. Will be that fact. So what I say, you need to do away with it. But the fact that why Jumano ana Kufuor free hon sananka mwa number 2 aswa sakomana konimchi isia obi ntumi nkyere because isia aye wa hai ana manfo ye call rounder nipa aye wo man mu no percentage say na complaints ahokyere wo ana percentage say so na complaints say ana agye atum say amamo no eye koyie say dodo na agye atum dia then the belief sanka mo na moto aso from Kufuor time anka yeduru achiri no will be there but say percentage wise dodo na amwo man mu fi say ahokyere wo ho ne man koyi amamo no koyi dia ene na saa asem na o ka no so no enya nyina so isan say amfo no che ne to so moreover ohwe amampani Kufuor efura akunya so na hwe amampani Atamis ne NDC fo so baaye no they amonso they be amonso wonkofo a amonso ani age say amampani me osamambo buye no but me I won't sit here and pretend amampani meals or ya dear pa the into ya dear say o your amampani dada projector uja ho nyina papa no openly na wotaka se project amampani Kufuor anwe me da na ehuru amamenya kwan yenwie me da na ehuru he said it on public TV so at on national TV ma obiate said the man has the real so person toa enyuma na amampani Kufuor eje hono so the then Sufula interchange the then Achimota interchanges near they are na ongoing na amampani Kufuor ntumi enwie he said it and indeed or twice also say ebeye juma N1 you know from Tetekwashiro about to Malam Junction route to the N1 no, was started by J Kufuor amampani Mills ebehwe me wie a commission so what I say nti o check here na amampani Mills nso ne famu die but if you all ba no na asem si ye
okay
so what I say because if you all ba no men share den hunu project ahodo bebrebe a amampani Kufuor ja ho a amampani Mahama ba obeto aso I haven't seen some of that ebi mo keka say military hospital blah 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 esron de ya starting esron de ya dwene ho se e be starting so what I said the agreement say e be starting say obi be starting na wan nwempo a ontumi fa credit no man bebrebe so what I say it is on person nkofo amampani Kufuor do person Ghana for mom breaking 8 eboa mom breaking 8 na Ghana kona nim as the perception dia ene na one omia adwuma ni madwuma na omo ye omma Ghana for enko muntumi won enkoden se de lumba nyum no so atase enkoden e wa mamu nim na afi so sebe mpraduasa dwe ni ahantan kukufa no doso dodo omo ntete so kakra
so ya krache for
asa ntu ya krache ana krache ni atoma ho
okay
so ya krache ni atoma ho
wo je say ahantan na say ahantan de nipa no ya krache ni
na ya krache na ho na ka so ya krache ni ya ahantan Oya krachi na so ya hantan.
No, e bia wo no bia say ka so bia krachi ni ene say. Krachi ni ene say.
Krachi ni de onim nyansa na onim ade.
Okay.
Wasua nim de ene nyansa.
Aha. Omo ya krachi fo. Eti e bia omo ba program obo hu say so omo chom ho ne ade. Omo ya krachi fo.
Da bi nya sa ho nya wo dress na ache so ya hantan o.
Okay.
Dress nchira hantan.
Na de yin bi na.
Na nante ne kasa mu dwe.
Be say nante no kwa.
Nante kwa ya tani.
E sha bufuo.
Because ayi obi nwomo so wo ba ye hu pa na de mehu anka be ha me. E bia wo ba ne kasa na ansa guachi o. Ebuja for mo to say. Awonya wi wo ba mo to say. Mo to say. Ne sa na ma no a. Na che so wo ye dwe, wo ya hantan.
Na ave de di bare kasa de sabenkum.
What you say? Mo pam mfro. Mo abeje mo pam mfro. So first na na ka bia wo meduru ba bi weduru ya so ala mo say mo nti o mo sa na ehwe de bitumi afa ho en. Aho nipa.
Okay.
Eti dwa ne hantan no men ka dress wa dress kama. Dress de me metro ma ni gi dress ho pa.
Ti fa ho na ya ti ato.
So what ase nti me pe. Nti dress ma me. Ne mu wonu kasa nye de. Na mo nso so eduru me me da mo kwa yie kura na mo pass obi afa na kan ko wura gotam na mo nko a mo fa kwa na mo mbo no munyai because people are watching all these things ejo mampani wo futu obi no pesa Ghana for break 8 na won say no am kan wa ha say obi ho kire no pa obi ho kire no ana obi enim say amamu ne bi kura ankaye ne ho kire no but anka obotumi amanagi but asoma sibi ne ye ne radio su kasa bi gani hantan kasa bi to masa mfa se mo npa ba bi fa no ato atia wo
Mo sa mo ni mo 18.
mo sa mo mfa mo vi 18 pe say mo break the 18 pe ba bi fa ne yanwe ho
ne
se meto mama wa be gina me kon ho de ne me kwakoto mo bi ne kom kra ni mi nkome o da bi da ne to bi
se de oba ne de on de o me gina kon
se ne o sa be gina o so ba na be gina ne kon ho a no so ehuri aburo skoto akoto ba bi ntide bi a na ma sa continuation of development and as a project ekoso no ema so no because ama wa hye nipa na bufu no akoto aba no without access se nipa na obobetuma adwuma na so otumi nye obi anum kasa tantan ti no akoto aba bone ema wonu no ho se na no yeti o se keep kusu ho ba bi nkofo ese omanu mo so mkoto skirt and blouse ne ade eti yo mampani on time afutuo o sa kwan so no so adwuma no de eye be 90% ye na Ghana for otunani na offer asibi anya dwuma ye na pressure ni so a okokro aboboto amansa dwuma no nka ho so atase ne plus other things on be ye na mu kasa no so oya dwuma na okasa akoye dwe kasa ye beto atia wo
okay ye fancy na agent
antino so mampani ahye sa abo no se who the needs or the importance or the dangers of declaring your support for one candidate at the time ayenya party nyanya and also no wahuna so say he can only do campaign for the candidate yina which say a good thing timi de futu na am de ama no
enya me so ne nkwanem
enya me so ntun kwa de hia me pa say nya me ntun kwandem na ka aja o me ka papa kofo ho na aja yenya former president Kukuda mienu na so mampenda da Mahama so 2024 where we knew dia obeje futu afirum ho where we knew so baka kom mo yenya former president miensa ntine o ye president na ubu akonwa na ubu man na se Kukuda miensa si wachi na so ofilia na se wala kwa mpanifo se di odi akire no osua de odi kan na nti se o di obi achi na so duru ho na gota da na onu tom na so duru na so tom na so yi krasi ni ntino eno na futu ampana ma munyai dwane ahantan no na V8 no muntenam na mo muntam decently okuwa yi a aye enye emergency enya force kwaye wokumase nyina ede hwem because nipa no a okona yen nipa na obasi we onu se we busy person onu se we nipa ba akopɛ untum pa wo mu mfa nko ba bia na eno nkofo na kwan mu ba bi wo kwa under construction na epi tese obi every kwan kwa besen ko official duty ko official ko ya banjuma na wo baba ya sre kwa me ya ma kwanya I have no problem but Saturdays there minim say aye pa no mota akopa onom gas igu kan mani na adaje ni poso to am tete so gas me nim problem ho ko so bi private life there men ko ho na emum se wo piapia nkofo agu nche Jesus be ko ko yen there am tete so
ene ese ne ho no nkomo a e ho na na dan ko fari man panyi de betu dwa ese odo de o meka se komina ko fina mpena asem anakofa na mpena asem to na mpese mo nto abama no me flag bearer na mo party level nipo meto abama eyi ni bia obe campaign di ama no that is do 2024 next year that so wa hoden dia whoever wo mo beyi no no obe campaign e di ama no abia for de mo sie afọ adwen hye be fa madwoa e champoma e be sane mo hye bi makamo